Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make YouTube end screens for your videos so that you can redirect your viewers to other videos on your channel through YouTube Studio. Now before we hop into this, you want to make sure that you have at least 5 to 10 seconds at the end of your videos to be able to insert these end screens into them. And you can either be talking on top of the video or you can add an end card. So if you don't have an end card or if you don't know how to make an end card, you can watch this video where I explain that. Now if you do, let's hop into this. So now you're in YouTube Studio and this is when you're actually uploading a video to YouTube. So the next thing you want to do is click on next or click on video elements. Now you see add an end screen and add card, so you just click on add. If you don't have templates for end screens in your other videos, this import from video icon won't appear, so you just click on add. So here you see different templates that you can use, but I like this one that has the 2 boxes and the 1 subscribe button there, so I'm just going to click on that. Since I already have an end card, I'm just going to drop these templates right into it, and you can see that it already fits it perfectly. So you can see that you have different options on here. You can allow the algorithm to pick the best video for the viewer and the most recent upload, or you can actually decide and pick specific videos to drop here. So for example, this best for viewer, I can easily change it and pick a specific video that I want. For example, I can change it to Lightroom Basics tutorial, and yeah, so this is basically how you do that. And you also want to make sure that your elements don't overlap. When they overlap, you see this red color on top of your elements. That means that they're overlapping and you can't save this template like this if anything is overlapping. So you need to make sure that everything has space. And you can also add more videos. You can add up to 4 videos, I believe, but for this video or for my videos I just add 2. Maybe I'll add 1 more, I don't know, maybe I should. Yeah, I think I'll add 1 more. So no, actually I'm going to delete that. So you want to click on the play button to preview this and make sure that it looks fine. So just drag this back a little bit and click on the play button, and it looks good. So what I'm going to do is click on the save button to make sure that it's saved in the video. Never ever leave that page or any page here without clicking on save or publish. Now I'm going to show you guys how to upload end screens to videos that you've already published that don't have. So you want to go to content and then you select the video that you want to use. I'm going to select how to take photos on Instagram. So when you click on that pencil icon, to your right hand side, if you scroll down, you see end screen. So you click on the pencil and then the same process repeats itself here. You just pick the template that you want. I'm going to pick these 2 videos and I'm going to add it. I'm going to drag it to the end of the video where it says thanks for watching. I'm just going to drag it there and preview to make sure that everything looks good. Don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. Okay. Yeah, and then you click on save and everything is good. So we've come to the end of today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to leave a comment if you enjoyed this video and found it informative, and I'll see you guys next week. Peace.